how do we help you measuring the value of digital adoption? By leveraging the value framework, we look at digital adoption from 4 angles: happiness, engagement, realization of value, and operational excellence. With happiness, it's all about measuring user satisfaction. So this can be, for example, customer or employee satisfaction. How happy are they with using your application, with using your software? And typically we use NPS surveys for this. This provides great input to look at how can we develop more digital adoption content to help the users loving your application more. For engagement, we are really measuring how users are adopting your application, how they complete the processes, if they come back, are they struggling in certain processes. It's all about feature adoption or application adoption, process completion, and engagement with the different digital adoption content items. With the realization of value, we aim to measure how we can improve the business returns on the technology investments by using a digital adoption platform. Here we aim to reduce the training efforts, reduce support efforts, potentially even reduce software licenses spending by accurately measuring who is really using the application. We aim to reduce development efforts with smart content items that can be used as workarounds to mitigate gaps in the underlying software. And if we are talking about an external use case, we also aim to increase revenue growth by making it easier for your customers to buy. In the operational excellence part, we look at how digital adoption can increase operational readiness. And that could be by increasing data integrity, making sure that the data your users put in is correct, improving change management, making sure your users are aware when there are changes coming, new releases, changes to processes, and so on. We are also looking at increasing process efficiency, creating time savings by using automations, or simply guiding them to the simplest way to execute their tasks. Last but not least, we are also looking at compliance. So how can we make sure your users use the application so you stay compliant with any regulatory needs and also potentially avoid any fines. And of course, it's very important to understand that this is not all coming in one go. We typically see that with customers, we work on several KPIs, several value drivers, and that over time they evolve. Typically, we start with reducing training effort, reducing support effort, and then over time, we start working more and more on increasing operational efficiency. So this is where throughout the entire life cycle, you can use the value framework to drive value and return out of investment out of your digital adoption platform. If you look to collaborate with us, getting the value out of it, just comment on the post, send me a direct message, and I'm happy to work together with you.